Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm always doing electronics work and things, so I got myself a new digital multimeter. So let's check this one out here. So it comes with some spare parts as well. So let's see. So here is our meter. Heavy duty big one here. It's nice. Let's see what the pieces of parts are. Okay, we're gonna have to put our batteries in there. Oh my gosh, the heaviest part is the manual in here. Grab this out here. Okay, so there's the manual. Look at the size of that. Okay, and then we have get some space over here. So let's see it. How are we gonna? So we have a little stand. Guess I'm gonna have to figure out where the batteries go to get this one going. Let me look at it here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the batteries. I had to unscrew that little screw there, and then there were the 3 batteries went inside of it. So we have a stand here, so we can kind of stand it up. We have a little loop thingy here if we wanted to loop it onto something. And then we have the probes and whatnot here. Right now I kind of have it set just on an ohm meter, and you can see it's got a nice, good display on it. If I go and do something, if I just go and touch them to each other, you see it'll do the connection, it'll do it. So, got the connectors there. Let me see. Yeah, see, works and displays it all. You can check the, it's got all the different voltage and things like that. You can just change everything. You have the, the LED, I guess that's gonna be the light, all the different modes and everything you could possibly want on this one here. Let me see what it has here. It has, this is the ZIBOO 15B. So this one here has all the different features except for temperature kind of stuff. So the next one up would have the temperature. So we can see DC, AC, all the different stuff there, and different frequencies and everything else. It pretty much does everything you could possibly want. It's got a full featured manual here with pretty much every language you could possibly come up with. So cool, I like this one here. It's nice and big, heavy duty. Got these little things there. I guess that'll connect up onto stuff, but, oh, actually that's where the probes will go. So I can put the probes in there. That's kind of cool. So I've got a place to put my little probes. So keep it in there. That's cool. So I like it. This nice setup here, and turn it back off again. And we are good. Thumbs up for sure.